back to another video. So today it's about codes in Trust Info. Yeah, Trust Info. It's okay. I might be on here now, but I'm a pro. I'm using a new account, by the way. So first code is Marley, but the tree I mean the tree is tree. This is what the code looks like. So okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is it. Next code is let's see if it's expired. Okay, it's not. So let's go put on the Umuye drink. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Next is okay, see. Ooh. And it's not expired yet. Oh my god. Look. Okay, next one is vanilla maze. Oh my god, vanilla maze. I get the type of a lot of typos here. Oh, I forgot from Pixie dress. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And this is what the maze looks like. There's a toggle as well, and this is what the toggle looks like. Yeah. And this one, yeah, you have to erase everyone's to unlock. Okay, I'm gonna erase it. Okay, next one is okay, which is quick crafts. Okay, this is what it looks like. Wait, what is it called again?
Patingin daw si Mama, sabi ni Mama.
Cat's eye, for the cat's eye.
Ay, dugit naman to. Okay. Pag hindi ko patak yun, balo rin na sketch tape yun. Ako sketch tape mo eh. Gumagapan mo.
Okay guys, this is what the
Patingin
change
siya,
looks like. Okay, the nails. I'm pretty sure you can see it, right? Okay, here's the nails, the little belting, and this, the necklace. Okay, I'm just gonna wear something real quick. Okay, I'm done. Next one is Carl, Meh, Haley, and this is what it looks like. And you unlock the onesie bear, the bear onesie, and this one. So cute. Okay, next code is Lana. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, you'll just add T2. Oh. And Lana Bird. This is for you just doing this part. You just doing this corners or the only ones, but these have codes. I'll just wear them let's see. Oh my god, it's so cute. By the way, this is a race. Yeah, cool. It's so beautiful. Next one is now a boots. Oh, and if you don't have this, just double tap that one. Okay, A, B. Okay, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Next code.
35 lang to. Wala akong pera.
For it's just like a
Sahod ka, di ba? Di ba?
jacket.
Every week ko mabibigay sa akin.
It's this
Yung
code.
every week ko mabibigay sa akin.
It
Bakit?
just
Tama.
just
Maganda yung parang hangin, bro.
okay. We're
Dirty
going
white.
to tell it now, and it has details unzip.
Gawin mo ang video mamaya.
Or even you can.
Paano? Diyan nga! Ha?
Okay, don't mind.
Ay, wait nila mo siya?
What's something
Uy.
about. So on to the next code. I think this code about calling him students is right.
Magpa-guide din siya ako.
Magpagupit din daw si Bob, sabi din.
I hope that's still exists.
Ganyan din.
Invalid code. Okay, now that I think it doesn't work, time for Alice code, which is okay. Let's start.
Patingin sa mga ka.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is it got the ribbons. Okay. Let's just jump out of it.
Sabihan mo yung matulog ah.
Okay, next code. The next code is
Yung mo,
for
imbis na mo ka to
enchanted
si Shirin,
easy.
tumatabi sa akin kasi wala si Mocha.
Oh.
Hindi tayo, basta pag pinakain mo siya, siguro, pag kumakain kasi, siguro hintay kayo ng 15 to 20 minutes tayo.
What is it again? If this is invalid,
Depende naman kasi kung saan maghintay ka lang
Okay.
sa loob ng mga isang oras tayo na yan. Hindi naman nagkatagal pag kumain niya, magtulog diba kayo agad? O. Diba hindi?
easy.
Itabi mo siya kay Bog. Iheli ni Bog. Patulogin niya. Ikikis siya ni Mo.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay. Now. Okay, let's
Ang
try.
nabagyan. Hello?
Okay. Let's try this. What? Still invalid?
Sasab ko lang sa'yo sa messenger. Yung panguna? Yung puti ang takip? Yung puti doon takip.
Okay.
Anong tatlong sense ang mabango? Yung vanilla mabango no? Vanilla. Gusto ko yung vanilla.
Yung, ano kasi, W3
Tatlo
yata
lang ba?
yun.
Tatlo lang ba pipili na pabango? Tatlo pa lang.
W3
Ay, ito yung apat
W3
niya. Pagpili
yun.
ano?
Okay, this is what it
Ayan,
looks like.
W11 yata. Ito mabango yung W11.
Okay, it has two toggles. The
Mabango.
left hand, which is
W3 yata
olive,
yung pinamit ko siya kanina ay.
Mabango
and
ba
the
yun?
right
Tapos
hand,
dito.
which is okay. This is what it looks. Ooh, it's so
Ito,
cool.
yung vanilla yung gusto ko talaga. Pero ito mabango yung W11 naman yun.
Next code.
W3 niya.
I hope this code still exists.
W9? Oo, yung ano, vanilla.
Sub.
Marami may gusto ng vanilla, di ba? Marami na.
I think.
Tapos may pangalaki din.
Okay.
Hindi na
It's still
pangalaki.
this?
May mga pangalaki dyan. Hindi ko kasi nilagay ni Macy yung mga sample. Alright.
Ooh.
Shiro, come here. Kumukha mo si Prince.
What's this one? Oh, this one. Wow, this is okay. This is toggle number one.
Joker.
Oo nga, Joker. Para pag lalaki siya?
Toggle number
Kami
two.
niya yung prescription na kulay puti.
Na?
Yan yung pabango dati. Yung white W.
Number three?
W11 tapos W.
3.
7 tapos W. Isa pa.
Ano yung isa?
Four.
W.
So, ayan. Ano na? 3. Tapos,
5.
Oh.
I'm not gonna
W5.
spin it anymore. It's gonna be busy.
Ano nga?
7.
W3.
8. I look like a baddie. Oh my god. And the last one, number 9. And I can't really see. I think it's this one or this. I don't really know. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to record
color
2 later or tomorrow when it's time. Bye.